what is the future and scope of Power BI and how we can use the Power BI in order to increase our productivity. So basically, I have around 6 years of experience in data analytics field, and I have did some certifications from Google and iNeuron. Okay. So what will you learn today? What is the Power BI service? Power BI automation, benefits of report automation, setting up automated reports, and transforming the raw data into the actionable insights. Before starting the presentation, I have a question for all of you. The question is on the screen. If you could improve one aspect of your business right now, what would it be? You guys can send me your answer in chat uh, of this question. Whatever is your answer, whatever is your opinion, it doesn't matter, but it helped me to understand profitability and visibility. Okay, nice. Anyone else want to share his opinion on this question? Sales. Okay. Reach. Okay. Okay, fine. So what is the Power BI service? So basically, Power BI is a service which is it is a product of Microsoft. Okay. So if you want to download the Power BI, you just have to go on the Microsoft website, and from this website you can download. From this website you can download the Power BI service. Okay. So it is a product by Microsoft available in the market. And in order to download the Power BI, you just have to go on the Power BI website and you can download here the Power BI desktop. By downloading the setup, you can extract the setup. You can install the Power BI from the setup and you will get your Power BI desktop version. Okay. So what is the difference between Power BI and Tableau? There are two types of products are available in the market which are dominating the data visualization market. One of them is Power Tableau and another one is Power BI. But Power BI has many advantages on Tableau, like desktop version of Power BI is available, but in Tableau there is no desktop version is available. Power BI is a tool of Microsoft. So as you can see that if there any update, and Power BI is the only software available in the world. In Power BI, each year two updates came for every software like AutoCAD, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Corel Draw. You can take any software. There are only one update in 1 year. For each year, only one update, like 23 version, 24 version, 25 version. But in Power BI, two updates come each year. And second thing is, if any AI tools came in the market, okay, from Microsoft, so you can easily integrate that tool in the Power BI. Like you can see that Copilot is there. So Copilot is a generative AI tool developed by the Microsoft, which you can, easily integrate with Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and also with Power BI. Okay. So these are the some advantages of Power BI over Tableau. Now moving to the next another question from my side. In one word, what do you value most in data analytics tool? Like it is the Power BI tool in front of us. So there are many features in a data visualization tool. You can see that you have a different types of integration available. You can connect the data down from the different sources. The table view is available. Here you can write the Power queries like Excel queries, Excel formulas. In Power BI, there is Power queries or DAX queries. Here data modeling is available, like you can make a joins like SQL in Power BI. Okay, and here the DAX queries. So integration is available, data modeling available, queries available. Also, there are different types of charts available. So I just want to, show you the different features of a data visualization tool. So my question to you is, according to you, what do you value most in data analytics tool? Like different types of variety of charts available, it is important for you, or integration with new generative AI tool is important for you, or data modeling, or data integration, or queries, which part is important for you in a data analytics tool? I hope my question is clear. So data modeling and graphs, integration with AI, okay, flexibility and customization of the data while visualizing the results. Okay, cool. Performance handling high volume aggregations, easy to use. Okay, fine. So I have shown you, in order to get started with a Power BI, you need to sign up for an account and connect your data sources and create the reports and dashboards. And after that, you have to make your automation in the Power BI. And what is the module 2? So these are the benefits of report automation. Report automation with Power BI offers several benefits, like accuracy will be increased. There will be a lot of time savings. Okay, data-driven decision making, data-driven decisions making will be possible. There should be more accuracy, and uh, the data should be more concise, precise, and accurate with the help of report automations. And in one word, what is the most important element in a good report? Like we have different types of reports available here. And also I will explain you what is the difference between our report and dashboard. Okay, like you can see that it is a scatter plot. Okay, what is the benefit of scatter plot? Because in scatter plot, because in Power BI, around 360 charts and graphs are available, as you can see that. And also there are get more visuals. If I click on the get more visuals, I will get the more options. But these charts and graphs which are showing in this window are very much sufficient for me to make a very good report. But I want to show you here the benefit of scatter plot. So it gives me a pause and play button. If I click on the play button, so it is started showing me the sales of products in a
ये
different.
मामा भेजे ट्रेनिंग
Hello,
चल रहा
hello, hello. I'm audible.
Yes, yes, audible.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, fine. So if I click on this play button, it is started showing me the data from 2014 to 2017 across the different regions like Central, East, South, West. So it gives me a kind of presentation within the Power BI. So it is also a very good advantage of Power BI. Likewise, if I want to give an example, the report is showing okay in front of you. It is the report. It is a simple stacked column chart. It is showing the sales of different products in the different region. Like for phones, we have a 72,000 product we have sold in our central region, and in east region we have sold 1,01,000 phones. Likewise, okay. But if I want to know only the sales of chairs in the west region, so what should I do if I want to, study in deeply on that west region only for chairs? So what should I do? I will click on include button. So it will remove all the data and show me only the west region chair sales. Okay. If I want to remove that west region sales, I will click on exclude. Okay. if I want to, okay, this data is showing, but you have to send a report to your senior manager. Your senior managers want to know about, okay, what is going on the different region. Please send me a detailed report of west region or any region. Okay, what is actually going on, give me a report on email. So if you sit and you analyze the sales of chairs, and then after that you have to make a report by typing it on word file, then make it in a proper format, then you have to send to your manager or whatever the upper management. So it will take time, okay, but I will show you a hack. What is the hack? You just have to right click on the particular region for which you want to make a report. So you have to click right, go to summarize, and click on custom. So it will give you the summary of that particular region in a textual format. Like West has the highest total sales, like whatever is the figures, I mean like 25,000, followed by East Central and South. Sales in region West is made up 4.43 of the sales. So it will give you a short summary of that. Now, what you can do, you can copy this whole summary. Okay, you can copy this whole summary and you can use any generative AI tool. Okay.
Video mode out.
Uh, Likewise, I have copied this summary and I have pasted here. Please give me a script of email of detailed report of this, and I have pasted the summary of that report here. And ChatGPT has given me the script of email. So by using these small hacks, you can definitely increase your productivity and accuracy, and it will definitely saves your time. Okay. Now moving towards, okay. So after explaining a little bit part of the reports, how reports actually works, can you please answer this question in one word? What is the most important element in a good report, so that I can understand, okay, what you have understood from this? What is the most important element in a good report according to you, whatever it may be?
Error free data.
Yeah, you all have to please participate and type your answers, type your opinions in the chat, who all are listening to me. So presentation, good clarity, accurate data, key insights of data, presentation. Okay, fine. Summary, readability, understandable identity graph, transparency and accountability. Okay, okay, very nice. Now I'm moving towards the next part. It is the building dashboards. Okay. So what is the difference between report and dashboard? So report is normally indicate uh, uh, a single parameter of the scenario. Report usually indicates the single parameter of the scenario, while dashboard is represent the whole scenario. Like in normally cricket, you have seen the dashboards in which different slicers are there, different types of different types of cards are there, different types of filters are there. So dashboards give you an overall idea. Like in cricket, if this dashboard is of cricket, so you will see your wickets, over remainings, run rate, or whatever is the this much runs are required to win. Kind of data in the cards is given below, like that. So normally you have seen these dashboards on cricket or on airport. Normally, it is visible publicly that this type of dashboards for cricket score data and for in the airport normally. So here is the dashboard available. It is a sample dashboards for the credit card transaction reports. Okay, so we have a four types of credit card for this scenario: the blue card, silver card, gold card, and premium card. It is giving me the data of different types. Like for if I click on the bills, so it will show me the data. Yeah, there are the 40 millions payment of bill has been done with the help of credit card. So out of them, 12 million was done by the blue card, and 50 lakh, 55 lakh was done by the silver card, and 24 lakh and platinum has 11 lakh respectively. And with the help of swipe, the customer done the transaction of 10 million and remaining done by the chip and on online. So when you click on the dashboard, the whole data is interconnected. Like what is the sum of income by gender, how much males have used the credit card and how much female have used the credit card. It will give you an overall idea. Okay. And according to the quarter, in quarter three, how much transaction has been done in bills, entertainment, fuel, grocery, food, and travel. How much transaction had been done in quarter one, quarter two, and quarter three respectively. You can select, simultaneously, or you can select a separate one as per your requirement. So it is an example of dashboards. Okay, how a dashboard looks like. I have given you the example of dashboards for credit card transactions report. Here also a dashboard of sales forecast. It is also a very good data which I want to show you. So in this dashboard, it is a data of an electronic companies or a normal stationery company. So they have given their data, and in their data we can also analyze how much sale we have did, and you can see the size of the bubble. Okay, so in map I have used the one function, size of the bubble. Okay, so in bubble size I have selected the term sum of sales. So the size of bubble is showing the sales, volume of the sales. Where the volume is high, the bubble size is larger. Where the sales is volume of sales is low, Oklahoma, so the bubble size is small. So with the help of this visualization, we have make a dashboard for the sales of a stationery shop, in which they are showing a stationery company like office. They have got the transaction 17% from the COD, 9.2% from the cards, and 14.26 from the online transactions. You can select simultaneously technical and furniture, so they will give you the overall idea of the sales which you have selected. And also one important factor you have to keep in mind, whenever you should have to uh, make a sense of making the report. Like if the data is up to 5 parameters, so you can select the donut chart. Okay, you can select the donut chart or pie chart. It is okay up to the 5 parameters. But when the data is beyond the 5, so up to 12, you have to use line chart. Okay, you have to use the line chart or you can use the column chart. So for the data, it is showing me the data of sum of sales by month. So with the help of region, you can select in which region you are getting the most of the sale, and in which region you are getting the low of the sale. So with the help of legend, you can summarize. Okay, from home office product you have how much sale, and from corporate you get how much sale, and for consumer you get how much sales. And if you click on the data labels, so you will get the
Hi,
numbers of
Huzefa.
high.
Before going to visualization part, can you explain the data modeling part?
Yeah, yeah, sure. I will explain it to you.
Yeah.
Let me complete this. Then after that, I will move to the data modeling part.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay. So data modeling part is here, I think. So what actually happens in data modeling? Uh, Basically, in this chart, you can see that there are different types of you know tables are available. Okay. So let me show you an example of this data in which I have selected sum of amount on y-axis and products on x-axis. Okay, it is showing me the sales. When I click on a country like New Zealand, so it will give me the data of New Zealand. How it actually works? When I clicked on UK, it's showing me the data of UK and USA accordingly. So it happens with the help of the data modeling. Okay, so what is the actually data modeling? Data modeling is like a joins. Okay, joins in SQL. In joins, in order to make a joins, we should have a unique we should have a primary key or secondary key. What is the primary key and secondary key? As you can see that I have connected the GID from locations. Okay, GID from the locations to the GID into the shipments. So shipment is my master sheet. Okay, shipment is my main table and other all are secondary table. And in shipments, I have two IDs, GID and PID. GID is representing the geo ID and PID is representing the product ID. So products table is connected with the shipment with the help of PID and locations is connected with the shipment with the help of GID. Okay, what happens if I delete this GID? Now there is no connection between the locations and shipments. Now I am moving towards my chart and here I am selecting the Canada, nothing happens. I am selecting Australia, nothing happens. I am selecting the New Zealand, UK, USA, nothing happened. Why? Because I have deleted the join or data model between the locations and shipments. If I want to retrieve the data of the different countries, because I have the tables, okay, and you can see that I have created the different manage relations. Okay, shipments is connected through PID. Shipment dates is connected through calendar, and all these are active. Shipments and people are connected through the SPID.
All these
But
are many to one relationships, right?
yes, many to one for shipments and one to many for products and locations. Okay, so for shipment it is many to one, and for other it is one to many. Is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, thank you. So now what I'm doing, I'm connecting the again GID with GID only. So you have to check from locations. I'm connecting two shipments. What I'm connecting? I'm connecting geo IDs. And why it is one to many? Because it is from locations perspective. It is from locations perspective. That's why it is one to many. And it is a single join I'm connecting. Okay, I'm okay with this. I have clicked on yes button. Now it is being connected. Now again moving towards dashboards. Now I'm clicking on the New Zealand. Okay, it is changing. Clicking on USA. I'm clicking on UK. Yes, it is changing. So basically, it is the data modeling which we use in Power BI. I hope it is clear, guys. Now, before moving towards the case studies, I want to show you one feature also of Power BI. It is the advanced feature in Power BI, which we call forecast. Which we call forecast. What actually happens in forecast? I will show you step by step. I think you are aware of this calculation. I'm sharing my data of statistics. Okay. So it is a statistics of machine learning, which is a part of data science, in which we use the different Python libraries like NumPy, Panda, Matplotlib.pyplot, and Seaborn, EDA, Skitlearn, PyTorch, SciPy, many are there. Okay, I think approximately 10 are there. And what we do as a data analyst, we upload a CSV file. I have uploaded a CSV file. The name of the CSV file is Titanic. Okay. And I have created a data set. And after uploading the CSV file in my Jupyter notebook, I have started making the calculations as per my requirement, like mean, head. It is not a part of this, a seminar, but in context I'm showing so that you can have an idea what is happening in the backstage. Okay. So I have, perform a mean operation. Like I want to know the mean of the age column. Like I have a different column in my data set: name, age, ticket, fare, cabin. So there are age of different people, 20 to 30. I want a mean data. Okay. So I got a mean data. Likewise, I have performed the many calculation: mean, median, mode, and variance, discrete. Not this sheet. Okay, another sheet is there, DS statistics. Yes, here. So here I have performed the many operations: mean, median, mode. Okay, variance, discrete probability distribution, priority distribution, normal distribution, skewness, chi-square test, t-test. There are a lot of calculations for data science. Okay, so there are two calculations we mainly use in machine learnings are called linear regression and logistic regression. So in the advanced feature of Power BI, the linear regression has been introduced in the Power BI. What is the linear regression in the Power BI? For example, my client has given me a sale data of his sales of year 2020 up to 31st December. Okay, you guys can see that I have clicked on the last point of this yellow line. So yellow line is the data of actual data which is available. Okay, so here is the data report of sales data report of that particular company. So up to on 31st of December of year 2020, they have sold to 2,975 products. Okay, and they want to know how much their sales will be on the coming month, in the coming month. Okay, for January of 2021, what will be the upcoming sale, so that they can order and manage their inventory. Okay, so that they can manage their inventory and so that they can make their purchase. So they want a forecast. So with the help of forecast feature, with the help of forecast feature, I have forecasted for them. So as if you click on any point in the January month, it will give you the date and forecast. Like on 10th of January 2021, the forecast is 5070 piece. Maximum order the company get will be 9155. Minimum order the company get are 985.78. So it is the forecast option available. So I have shown you the calculations. Okay, as a data scientist, or as a machine learning engineer, one has to do so much calculation in order to get the prediction analysis. But in Power BI, it is already inbuilt. You just have to click on that magnifying option, go on the forecast section, go on the forecast section for how much month you want to forecast, what will be the confidence interval, and all these things. You have to select, click on apply, and it will give you the data. Okay. Now I am moving towards the case studies. We have two case studies for today. I think I can cover only one because of the time limit. So I want to move on to the ICICI Bank, how it actually helps in the corporates. Okay. So I'm giving an example of ICICI Bank. It is the project done by me on 22nd of October 2022. So what is the main purpose of this report? ICICI Bank, it is the second largest bank in India. First one is HDFC and ICICI Bank. So when in the company in which I was working, our client is ICICI Bank, and we are providing them the social intelligence services. So the companies were registered in NSE and BSE, in National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. These stock exchanges publish the reports on each quarter reports. On every 3 months, they publish the quarter reports of the corporates who are registered in the stock exchanges. So initially initially in 8 to 9 months, I have studied the process of making the quarter reports, and on October I have made the quarter report of ICICI Bank. So what is the main purpose of making this quarter report? Like ICICI Bank has the different products available in the market, like different types of account, semi account, current account, FD account, different types of loan, home loan, car loan, business loan, gold loan, different types of credit card, debit card, and all many financial products are available in the market by ICICI Bank. So our job is to, understand the tonality of the customer about their products, like the tonality of the customer, like it is positive, negative, or neutral. And also the top fintech influencers. What is the review on ICICI quarter report? Because on the quarter reports, the investor across the globe invest in the ICICI Bank. Okay, invest in the ICICI Bank based upon their quarter report. So there are the top fin influencer in India is money control, and the top influencer in the world is Bloomberg. Second is Hindenburg. In India, the number one is money control. Second one is ET now, NDTV profit. So we have to take, we have to closely monitor the tonality of the feedback of the customer and also the fin influencer, what they are talking about. And we have also automized this report, and we are sending this report to the upper management of ICICI Bank in each 2 hours, so that they can take the decisions accordingly in order to, improve their performance, in order to make the decisions. So data research and trend analysis I have showed you. With the help of, linear regression, we can analyze the trend, what will happen next. It is called prediction analysis. So it is already available in the Power BI. Data visualization, I have shown you some kind of dashboards and reports, and also the KPI definition and collaboration. What is the key performance indicator? Which products are performing well, which are not performing well, and from where we have to take the precautions, and from where we have to improve our products. So it is the report I have made in order to, improve the business of ICICI Bank. So basically, it is actually works in that way. So what you have to do, you have to download the data dump, and you have to make a connection. Okay, as the connection has been built, like data is coming from the dump, you just have to click on the refresh button. It is already automatically, create a data model, automatically load the model, and automatically update the report. Whatever the data dump we are getting from the Jira software, we have, connected with the Power BI, and each and every 2 hours to download the data dump, and data dump is come in the template which is uploaded in the Power BI, and we have to just click on the refresh button, and after that we have to click on the publish button, and our report automatically give to the respective stakeholders. Scalability of Power BI, it is a cloud-based infrastructure, so you can send you can save the tremendous amount of data. It has a large capacity management, customizable data models. You can create one to many, many to many, many one, every kind of data models. Elastic data storage, and also elastic means also you can get the data from different sources. Like you can upload the Excel workbook, you can upload the CSV file, you can do the API integration. Like I have made this project. If I want to present this project in my Power BI report, like this dashboards, I can just do the API integration and it will be available on my Power BI report. I can do the data integration from different servers, SQL server, SQL server. There are PostgreSQL available, MySQL available from cloud service, AWS, Azure. You can make a data pipeline, so CI/CD pipeline. So as per your requirement, you can do the customization with the help of GitHub, with the help of CI/CD pipeline, ETL, data warehousing. This compatible with all the tools available in the market. You can just check out the name of the tools. Microsoft Fabric, it is also a very much interesting tool provided by the Microsoft, in which you can do the ML and DL algorithm are inbuilt. You just have to do the calculation by pressing the play button. Different types of databases you can integrate with SAP, HANA, and all. There are different files you can upload on the Power BI. So it is like that only. Okay. In aggregations, you can make the calculations of aggregate and all. Accuracy, reducing the human error, standardize the data model, automate the because if I want to reducing the human error, I don't have to every time have to make the report and make the calculation. I just have to click on the refresh button. Basically, when I was working in Unilever, just 3 minutes are left in my part. So I will, I have also worked in a Unilever in a supply chain department. So basically, I'm in a modern trade department. So business of Unilever, it is India's number one FMCG company on the basis of market capital. Okay. So the Unilever business is 9% from e-commerce, 21% from 21% from modern trade, and remaining 30% is from general trade. General trade is the Kirana store, okay, e-commerce, Amazon, Flipkart. And what is the modern trade? Modern trade is the departmental stores like Reliance Fresh, like DMart, like Moore, retail, and also we are providing the products to the army canteen for the army personals. So they want 90% fresh product. If I get a, for example, if we have a Nor syrup has a 10 months expiry. So they will accept the product if the 9 months are remaining. If 8 months is remaining, then 80% freshness. They don't accept. Army canteen wants 90% fresh products. Okay, from Unilever. And Reliance and DMart accept the 80% fresh products. And Kirana and General Store accept the general trade accept the 60% fresh products. So we have to make the supply chain according to, because we have a 28 warehouse in India, and we have to download the data dump from the SAP each day at the 9 a.m. And after that, making the changes on the data dump, we have to send these orders to our warehouses, and from our warehouses, data products move to their warehouses. So it is a supply chain cycle, and we have to fulfill, because it is impossible for us to make the 100% supply. Almost our supply, the fulfill rate is up to 92%, 93%, because it is practically not possible to 100% fulfill the customer orders, because of many reasons are there in practically. So we have to make the fulfill rate as more as possible, freshness as more as possible, and operations as quick as possible. So there are a lot of challenges when you work in every corporate, and you can see that there are different types of categories, subcategories: food category, refreshment, home care, personal care. So lot of things are there. And with the help of automation is only possible. Okay. Yeah, I will come to this part also, financial modeling and data modeling. So this is from my side, and it is the end of my presentation. So the remaining 15 minutes time is for the question and answer. So you guys can unmute and ask your questions. Hello, I'm audible.
You can participants unmute themselves and ask any questions if there are.
Can you just elaborate a little bit on the elaboration or maybe integration, how it can be integrated?
Okay. Basically, there are
Before,
different formulas.
just a minute. So before asking question, if you can introduce yourself with your background, then it helps to answer the question effectively.
Yeah, sure. Myself is Tanveer, and I'm currently working with the Computer Center, and I'm leading the workforce management. And yeah.
Huzefa bhai, there is a question for you.
Okay, I was talking on mute. Sorry. So yes. Yeah, hi Satish. I'm answering your question. So if you want to get the data from Excel sheet, you have to click on Get Data button, go on the Excel sheet option and select whatever the data you want to select. Like I have selected the sample chocolate sales. So yes, it is entered in the system.
Huzefa, I have a question here.
Okay, please.
Yeah, so how to convert snowflake schema to star schema?
Basically, in order to use the Snowflake, you required some kind of
Yeah.
API integration or third-party tool with the help of Jira. Okay, you need a tool called Jira, and it is a third-party tool.
Okay.
So it will act as a middle
Okay.
part of Snowflake and Power BI. Okay, so with the help of Jira, you can get the data of Snowflake into the Power BI.
No, I'm saying conversion of data model from snowflake schema to star schema because snowflake schema is normalized, star schema is denormalized. So how to convert it to normalized form?
Okay, honestly, I have no much idea about Snowflake. If it is only related with the integration with Power BI, I can answer.
Okay.
Because I have, yes.
So because currently I'm working, so I got a question from that. So that's why I asked it.
Okay, okay. Yeah, because I have expertise in Power BI and Python libraries only.
Oh, okay. 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 Fine. That, and, and one more question is, you had explained about performance tuning process.
Okay,
Yeah, performance tuning process such as we have various tools such as DAX Studio, ALM Toolkit, and Tabular Editor for making performance efficient to the end user. You haven't gone through that as well.
okay, fine.
Okay.
For performance,
Sorry.
you are asking about performance.
Yeah. So let's say if end user is facing some kind of a lag while opening the report. So he complained you stating that this report is taking much time for me to load. So you need to take some kind of action so that the report performance gets improved. So from then our part starts so that we will keep the performance tuning process so that the report will the end user sees will have take less time to load.
Okay, okay, got it.
Yeah.
Basically, in past few months, I got a requirement from a company. So in that company, they have a different type, they have a lot of data and they need a help in CI/CD pipelines. So they want to connect this data through the CI/CD pipelines, and we have provided the solution with the help of GitHub. Okay. So with the help of GitHub and CI/CD pipeline, we have connected their data into the Power BI.
So by using external tools such as DAX Studio and well as ALM toolkit, we can improve the performance as well, because in DAX Studio we can minimize the DAX code. By using ALM toolkit, we can reduce the columns so that our performance gets improved, and the refresh time that the report takes, it will take less time.
Okay, okay, very nice.
Okay, fine. So just because I'm working, I got a doubt here. So that's why I said that's nothing more than it.
Okay, okay, fine.
Done.
Are there any further questions from the audience? You can unmute yourself and ask. So Huzefa,
Okay, yes.
in the chat, there is a request for data set, if you can help with that.
Yeah, sure. I will give you. Definitely. So should I give it to you, Abrar bhai, or to whom?
I don't have
Like-
contact of anyone. Maybe it's better you share your LinkedIn profile. People connect with you on LinkedIn, and then they can request you directly.
Hmm.
Hi, Huzefa. Siddiq here. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, Siddiq.
Yeah, I'm working as a project manager in Capgemini. My question is just told that you can configure integrate with Jira, right? Jira tools.
Yes.
Yeah. So from Jira, for example, we are having thousands of Jira tickets, correct? So
Yes.
there are many status also there. Each and every tickets has some substars, and there again there's some subtasks. Some
Hmm.
millions of test cases also are there. So how you can integrate those all the Jira and make an interactive report like just you show it?
Yeah, so
You
basically
got
it
my question,
happens like,
right?
yeah, I got your question.
Yeah.
I will, because, I came to know about Jira from ICICI Bank only. Okay. Okay, how Jira is actually work and how we are getting the data from Jira. So, I have mentioned that, okay, we have to, make the feed, we have to analyze the feedback of the customer about the products of ICICI Bank. Okay. So here
Yes,
is the
yes.
question is, how ICICI Bank gets the data of feedback. So basically, what
Yes.
ICICI Bank was doing, we have a, ICICI Bank is getting the data from Facebook, from Instagram, and from Twitter. Like, whatever is the any person have mentioned about the ICICI Bank or tag the ICICI Bank in their Facebook post or in Instagram post or in any Twitter post. So these Meta and Twitter are providing this data to the ICICI Bank. So how they providing? In between ICICI Bank and this platform, Jira is there. So they are providing their data to Jira. Okay. And from Jira, our desktop IT support team, okay, who are expert in Jira, they have created this flow. And Twitter is charging 7 lakhs per month from ICICI Bank to give the dump of all the tweets in which the ICICI Bank is marked. So basically, the IT support guys have created this, workflow. In that workflow, the Jira is getting the data from the Meta and Twitter, and from the Jira, we got this data from our company, The company name is Germinate. Okay, so we have an internal software GSI. Okay,
Okay.
so okay, from Germinate we got this data, and from our software we download the Excel sheet, and this Excel sheet we upload in the Power BI. So it is our software, GSI software. Okay, so in this software we got the
Then mean
data.
that means you are getting the data, whatever the data you have, you are exporting the data into an Excel, and then Excel you will be importing in your Power BI.
Yes, yes.
There is no any direct connectivity, or there is no any API where we can directly integrate with Jira, and we can get all those interactive data, interactive dashboard.
Yeah,
Whatever
yeah.
we have, it is very important thing, right? And, even I am trying many times, but not able to get it exactly.
Hmm. Yeah,
From the
because
Jira.
I think that
Even
there
I
are some, it is a work of some DevOps kind of guy. So who are expert in
okay.
this making the pipelines.
So DevOps,
So
no, DevOps guy, not no. Pipeline is okay. Even I know the pipeline, but how we can integrate the Jira, whatever the ticket has there in Jira, and whatever the task has in this tabular form on Power BI. So that we can get all those data from the Jira to Power BI, I can make any interactive data. Now what we are doing, we are this exporting to CSV file, and then from the CSV file, you are making some graph in Excel, right? Whatever Excel has provided. But if you use Tableau or Power BI, it will be very interactive dashboard you can create. I thought you told that Jira already. That's why the question is coming in the mind. It will be very
okay,
important
okay.
if it
Yeah,
is really. You can
definitely.
check with
My team.
with your team.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it will be very
sure.
important part. If it's happen, no, the people are will be very beneficial. Any in the industries.
Okay, okay. It will, make easier for the people to
Yeah,
make.
very important. Because most of the industries require this dashboard, and millions of tickets are there. If you
Hmm,
see the technical support team, because technical support team receives hundreds of thousands of requests in a day, and every request has automatically diverted to Jira, created in Jira. From the Jira, so there is no Jira does not provide any such interactive dashboard, right? Reports.
correct.
So you can get all those data. You can export all those data into CSV file only. They are provided. So there are so many gadgets also there. The page gadget. Every gadget has page, but that is not what exactly you want, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
if we can integrate this all this API in Jira, but even I don't know. I'm trying to find out, but even
Yeah, yeah.
unfortunately still not.
Please
But
message me
since
on
you are
LinkedIn.
expert in Power BI and
Uh,
Tableau, so can you please check? So
sure,
and if
sure,
you
sure.
found, you can share in the group. That
Yeah,
group
please
you have
ping me
shared
on
in Zoom link.
LinkedIn.
So
Please ping me on LinkedIn. I will connect
okay,
with
I'll
the
ping you.
team of my company, and I will
Yes,
definitely show
yes.
you the process.
So you are in Germinate company, right?
Now I am working in
Which company you are
FIS,
in?
Fidelity Information Services. I have worked in Germany. Currently, I am working in FIS.
Okay. So already you have given. Okay, in LinkedIn is already given. Okay, I'll connect
Yes,
it.
yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome, welcome. And another question arises in the chat: is Python is necessary for the data analytics part? है ना? Is Python is necessary? Yes, Python is very much necessary for the data analytics part. I think Zishan, no, Zakaria Iqbal. Yeah, hi Zakaria. So as you can see that I have opened the pandas file here. So yes, Python is very much necessary. Uh, Basically, you should have to learn the basic Python. You should be able to make a small, not OOPS is required. Object-oriented programming is not required in order to become a data analyst. But basic Python programming, you should be able to make some basic queries, basic functions. You should be aware of what is tuple, list, and dictionary and all. And after clearing your basic concept in Python, you have to get expertise on the different Python libraries like NumPy, Panda, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and EDA. So data cleaning is the main part of data analytics. So with the help of pandas, it is possible. So yes, you should have to, make a good command on Python libraries and some basic statistics if you want to make a career in data analytics field.
So what level of Python we should know? Means
Yeah.
basic means what?
Yes, I will
Basic
show
means
you.
only syntax. How the basic syntax will be there in Java and .NET and other PHP and other language. The same one you want me to say, or
Yeah, I will
do
show
you have
you.
anything we can share so that we can follow this? If you have
Basically, we
any,
have a online course, okay,
okay.
for data analytics. Our institute name is Mumbai Coding Club. So in this institute, I am taking care of this part. So
But if people already knows most of the things in except Python. They knows SQL, they know data cleaning, they know
yes,
because they are already
yes,
people are already using. I am having almost more than 20 plus years of experience. I have worked so many things,
yes,
but I never work in Python, correct? So
yes.
that's why you
Acha.
saw basic person. That's why I'm asking what
And
exactly the basic
definitely,
things.
yeah, we have a detailed syllabus. I have a
Mhm.
detailed syllabus. Okay,
So can you
give me
share
a,
can you share your link here in the chat group, please?
yeah. Give me a minute.
Please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me a minute. I'm send the link.
Yeah, please. Thank you. People can get the benefits, right? I have requested in LinkedIn. Once you accept it, then only I can share the message.
Yeah.
And Huzefa, sometimes college students require very much. I know that data analytics projects. The students
Ah,
who are studying engineering, computer science, or whatever, they
yes.
required the data analytics and data science project.
Hmm.
So for that, whatever course you suggested, is it sufficient for them, for the students? Because I
Uh,
got many students, they are asking me, sir, could you please help where I should join and what course I should take for the data analysis project? Because in third year or fourth year, most of the engineering students, they need project. And nowadays, data analysis is a boom in the market. So people are
yes,
going for data analytics and data science, right? But they
yes,
don't know
yes,
what course they need to do, what they need to take. That they take the careers for the future, and that should be showcased to their college also, right? They need to
yes,
create one project.
definitely.
They need to showcase their project. Yeah, they need to demonstration those projects. So is this course helpful for this?
Yeah, because
So even we can connect separately. If you want, we can connect separately. I don't want to take another stand here.
no, it is fine for me. Can you please tell me your
Okay.
name,
Siddiq, Abu Siddiq. My name is Siddiq.
Siddiq?
I'll ping
Yeah,
you my number I think in LinkedIn once you accept it.
yeah. Nee, definitely it is.
Okay.
We have make this course and syllabus uh, by keeping mind the students, because
This,
all the students who are not getting the job and they have just completed their graduation and they are also from different fields. So we have make this course which is very much practical, because all the faculties who are teaching this course are already working in somewhere. I am working as a senior operation in FIS. Okay, so whatever knowledge I will share, it is the industry oriented, not as per outdated. It is not the outdated knowledge. And
no,
also we
it's
have a
okay.
set.
It's okay, Huzefa. This is
Yes,
okay.
yes.
But yeah, I'm taking so many interviews and thousands of interviews I'm taking for the freshers, and I know what the level of they have knowledge in the freshers.
Mhm.
You know,
Yeah,
in our
also
interview
as you
panel.
can see that we have closely focused on the projects. Like we
Can
have,
you share this? Can you share this PDF in this here in this Zoom chat?
yeah, sure, I can share. So
Mm.
for Python, we have a separate project. Okay, for Power BI, we have for SQL, we have a pizza sales report project. Okay,
Okay.
yes. For SQL, we have a different project. For Excel, we have a different project. And also after completing this course, we have a course in we have a project in which all the 4 tools are covered. And if the student make that project, then only we give the certificate to them. So we
So
have,
your certificates are also valid for the college?
yeah, certificate of our institute. Our
Yeah,
institute name is Mumbai Coding Club. And also you can see that we have, very much a good track record of placements. I can share you the PPT as well.
Okay,
Our,
later you can see, because this is the not right place, because I am taking much time. Others attendee also there.
yes,
So we can connect once I can connect with you later. Okay. Thank you.
sure, sure.
Brother,
Welcome.
share which college are you in? In which city?
No, I'm not in college. I told you more than 20 years I'm experienced I'm working in Capgemini. Working as a project manager. But I took so many interviews in the
Okay,
college.
okay.
So
Understood.
that's why I am getting,
Okay, yeah, understood.
means even I can get to know what the level of expertise the students have.
Okay.
So many students asking me, sir, what course need to do, what course should I take so that I can take the job. That's why.
And which city are you in?
Pune.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Thank you, Huzefa. Thank you.
Is that all right? Hi, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible. Welcome.
Yeah. Hi, this is Parvez here, and I have just a small question. Like when you're explaining about the
Yes,
Python code and the DAG functions also, uh,
yes.
my question is little kind of an extension to what Sheikh Bhai was asking some time back. Like when some people who already know a little bit of SQL, and when you are learning Power BI, you might be also learning DAX along with that. So there are too many
Yes, yes.
functions which are already available within Power BI itself, which will help you do your stuff, like create a dashboard or a tile or whatever. So my question was, how and where exactly is the languages like Python actually helpful here? Like my question is like, I want to know where does DAX or Power BI fall short, where you actually need Python, languages like Python.
Yeah, main advantage of Python is that in Python there are definitely different libraries are available. Okay, so with
I
the
understand
these
completely about the powerful nature of the Python as a language in many aspects, as you said. That's fine. But when you're creating a dashboard or a report, uh, for example, let us say, well, for any data analytics
acha.
or part there, most of the DAX
Mm-hmm.
functions or the things which are already present or built in within the Power BI might be, enough, right?
Sufficient.
Sufficient,
My
completely sufficient. Probably there are
completely.
some complex DAX functions also which we are not aware of. Probably we can build them, or probably we can look around for them and get our job done. So where is that shortcoming within Power BI where we might need Python as an external language to be associated with the Power BI tool? Because the thing is like I am trying to understand from a as a Power BI as a tool, I read like it is more of a visualization tool or a report builder kind of a tool. Either you can build report on premise or you can publish it using Power BI service. Till that part, I think it is very powerful enough already with lot of pre-built charts and different types of data visualization options already available. So when exactly this Python comes within the Power BI?
Should I answer?
Did I
Okay.
confuse you?
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah. No. I got your answer. I got your answer. So basically, Python comes in the picture in Power BI. Like if I create a some kind of exploratory data analysis project, okay, and there are some calculations which are only possible in the Python. Okay, these calculations are not available in DEX queries. Some questions, like I'm talking about the complex calculations, okay, which are not available, which are not possible with the help of DEX queries. So
Okay.
you did a calculation on Jupyter notebook, okay, and you have created some dashboard also. Matlab you have created some chart also, like this scatter plot, which is already created with the help of Matplotlib. Now, if I want to show this chart on my Power BI dashboard, like this only,
Mm-hmm.
okay, so there are some integrations available so that this code of this calculation will be available in my Python dashboards.
Okay,
Okay,
so you meant to say
like
only when we have some data or charts or something already done somewhere and we just want to integrate that with Power BI,
yes,
then probably
yes.
it is helpful. Otherwise, you can do most of the work within Power BI itself.
Yes, yes. I'm talking about the some exceptional cases in which I have also worked. I've also used Dex queries very, matlab, each and every time, and I'm very much expert in Dex queries. But some things are out of scope of Dex queries, and they are under scope of only Python, and some data science and Python calculations are there. So what I do in that case, I create those dashboards on Jupyter Notebook, and I connect this file with my Power BI dashboard in order to represent that calculation outcome. I think I have answered your question.
Yes, most of it.
So Huzefa, that code you need to put directly, or you need to compile those code and then do something integration with that your Power BI, or
No,
you
no,
need direct place the
no,
code.
no. I don't have to do any kind of things. I have just to make a project on Jupyter Notebook, and
Okay.
after making the dashboard after making a report on
Hmm.
Jupyter Notebook, I just have to, connect that Jupyter Notebook file. Like I got this
Okay,
API.
okay, okay.
Uh, I just have to
That API
copy
you need
this.
to connect with okay, understood, understood.
Yes, yes.
That
And I
API you
think
need to
the
connect. Okay, thanks.
syllabus is same. Okay, I have spoken about this syllabus. Okay, what we actually cover. Okay, so as you can see that, okay, this is the basic parts of Python which we will cover in our course. Like you can see the detail. Uh, Okay, like what is Python, BS code, from basic to advanced we will cover, and only the related, because there are many fields available in the market. One is business analyst, one is data analyst, one is marketing analyst, one is data engineer, one is data scientist. So basically, what actually is people goof up the things. Okay, what they have to learn if they want to become the data analyst, what they have to learn if they want to become a business analyst. So most of the people have goof up. Some people get more into the statics part. They have learned the complex algorithm. Some people get more into the business analytics part. So after doing the lot of research and discussion, our team has designed this syllabus and this course in order to make a proper data analyst as per the market and as per the knowledge. So it is our detailed syllabus which we have developed by doing the I think 1 month work. So this parts, like you can see that we will cover the string list, tuple, set, dictionary part, control flow, if, ellipse, multiple conditions, and we have also decided how
But
much hours.
this is the
Yes.
basic, right? Huzefa, whatever you told, if and shift to
Hmm.
this is the basic. If you ask the engineering student, they already have done already.
Yeah,
Most of
yeah.
the
So
things.
it is fine. It will help them if they join this course, na. So
Okay.
their basic knowledge will help them, and it will save their time. So they have a basic idea. So then we can start with the advanced level. Okay, in SQL we will cover this part, joins and all, and then after that, if the person is good in basics, then we will start with these Python libraries, their introduction and their applications, like pandas and matplotlib for data cleaning, and we have assigned 10 hours dedicatedly for the Python libraries.
Because
For the
Python has thousands of libraries are there, Pythons, right?
Yeah, So we have, listed out 4 to 5 libraries, which are actually helps in data analytics part.
Now we can, the generative AI also took the most of the part of the generative data analysis. They directly get
Yes,
all
yes.
those things. There is
Yeah.
nothing required for the Python, or nothing required in data. So everything is
Yeah.
available on the generative AI.
Yeah, but yes, we also use a generative AI in our day-to-day work in office. But in order to use the generative AI, you should know the concept.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, you
Hmm.
should know the background, what is
Agreed.
happening. Yes.
Agreed.
Yes. We also thinking about to introduce a generative AI part. Okay, how with the prompt in Copilot and with
Yes,
the
you should,
we can
yes.
improve
Even
GPI and all. Yeah, we are
even
thinking, but
nowadays, standard 11 also they are adding the generative AI part.
because हार्ड वर्क हमको करना ही पड़ेगा. There is no substitute of hard work. जब तक ये सारी चीज until unless and until we do not understand all these things, only with the help of prompt we can never do the work.
Your website name, please.
My website name,
Your institute website name.
yeah, it is our
Mumbai
institute in,
Coding Club. Okay.
yes.
Got it. Thank you.
Welcome.
The institute based on Mumbai only?
Yeah, we are based on Mumbai, but we have launched this course for all over India. And Alhamdulillah, we are teaching in America also, in
No,
Texas.
that is online, right? That is online.
Yeah, that is
Offline
online.
only in Mumbai, correct?
Yes, offline
Oh.
only in Mumbai.
Where is in Mumbai?
In near Andheri, Sakinaka.
Sakinaka. Okay.
Anyone else, please ask the question or doubt if you have. This is the questions of our SQL PISA cells project. So this is how we covered our syllabus. After completing the SQL part, we have given them a task, and by solving this question, they will be able to make a project on SQL. And if they are able to make this, problem, if they're able to solve this problem on SQL, then we will guide them how to make a PPT, good PPT on Canva. And after downloading the PPT from Canva, they can post their Canva file onto the LinkedIn profile by tagging us or by tagging in the technical groups in LinkedIn, so that HRs can see their profiles, and the data analytics groups are there in the LinkedIn. So with this strategy, we go on. Okay, those students who are registered in our course, we help them to make a profile on Naukri.com, LinkedIn profile, how to use a GitHub from day one. So whatever the progress they have made in course, they simultaneously post on the social media profiles, so that they get into notice of the HRs and all the recruiters in on LinkedIn and on Naukri.
Deep, I have shared the Google Drive link, but it's not permissible. You need to give the permission.
Yeah, it is only to the it is a syllabus
Okay.
of our,
Whoever that in, so
yeah,
they need to
yeah,
get. I'm sending the permission request. Please approve.
yeah, yes. Your name is Siddiq, no, sir?
Yeah, Cindy.
Okay, I will tell the admin. Tanveer and Siddiq, Mohammed Saad.
Sir, am I audible? Sir, Assalamu alaikum, sir. Can I have a today?
Yes, you're audible.
Sir, I'm from commerce background. Can I learn
Yes,
data
yes.
NL?
Definitely, you can learn data analytics because data analytics also covers some mathematics, and it is
Okay.
the option for the people who don't want much more coding and they want a good job profile, white collar job in a good company without coding or 20 to 10% coding. So if you have an intent to work in that profile, you can definitely because I will show you a one PPT also. Let me give me a 1 minute just. Okay,
Okay.
give me a minute. I am opening that PPT and I
Sir,
will show
one more
you.
question, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, what is about Snowflake, sir? It's using in so many companies.
Okay. Snowflake, it is yes, it is used in many companies, uh, but it is not much related with our profile. For Snowflake, there is a different position there. It is not much related with the data analytics. You have to connect with the Snowflake guy in your work for getting the data for transaction of data only. But Snowflake knowledge is not much required in data analytics field.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome,
Thank you,
welcome.
sir. Very nice session, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, here I'm opening the placement we have did. So we मतलब lot of people from B Pharma, from BCom, from different backgrounds are there. But because we have created a मतलब not for only appreciation, practically we have created this course very much industry oriented. So you can see that BSc, BA, economics people have joined our course and get placed in the companies. So BCom Bilal Khan, BCom Saud Sheikh. So these are our alumni. You can check our testimonials on our social media profiles also. So they are not from the computer engineering and all.
Huzefa, I don't know whether that question is relevant to what exactly the difference between Power BI and this one,
Tableau.
Tableau.
Yeah, basically in Tableau now, not much options are available. I have also in initial days I have also created some projects on Tableau, some dashboards on Tableau. So main thing is that Tableau is the public version. Only the public data is available on Tableau, and their dashboards are not much lucrative as compared to the Power BI, and it is not beginner friendly, not as fast as Power BI, not compatible with generative AI tools. So there are a lot of limitations in Tableau as compared to the Power BI.
Because why I'm asking this question in our company Capgemini, I know 3-4 people are working in Tableau, but they are master in Power BI, but still they are working in Tableau because the monthly some company using Power BI Tableau only.
Okay. Yeah,
So that's
basically, yeah, my friend also is working on Tableau and he's also working in a MNC for cricket analysis. So they make it depends upon the, how much feasible you are with and as user friendly or as beginner friendly. Power BI is a very common tool used in the industries and it is very much, easy to use. You can learn the Power BI in 1 week only, but Tableau it took time and it is bit complex. I have also started my journey with Tableau because it is the Google Data Analytics course. But in Tableau, it is not much user friendly, beginner friendly, and not much options are available. So when I jumped on Power BI, it suits me, and I have worked on Power BI, and from that dashboard, I get the job in Unilever and other companies, FIS, because this is widely used in the companies. And there is no much difference. It is upon you. You can use Tableau or Power BI. It's up to you.
Okay. And both are freeware or have license?
Yes, yes, both are free.
Okay, thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you for the great session. I need to drop off.
Welcome,
Thank you.
welcome,
Thank you.
sir.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.